Hello, this is Rainbow Rose. If you like this video, please put thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button below. Enjoy. Why is Mom rushing to get dressed in her room? I don't know, but when she comes down, we're sure asking her. Yeah, I would really like to know that. And why did she use all month to build that strawberry 2-roomed house outside? Whatever it is, she's gonna get a lot of furniture coming tomorrow, she told me. What's the big deal about building a huge house outside and then getting all this furniture? Well, I'll tell you one thing, 2 beds. Beds? Do you think one of us are moving out of our rooms? Do you think the baby's getting too old to have that little area? No, she said when the baby turns 4, she'll get a new room. Weird. It's usually not like that. Something's up, and I want to know right away. I'll be back. I have to go to the place. And your lives are about to change forever. Great. Now this little mystery that makes our lives change forever. When Mom comes home, we're gonna ask her, what's the rush, right? Right. I've been standing here all day. I need to take a break. Cat Kite, you have to go pick him up. Pick him up? You know. Oh, right. I'll be right back. Do you want to take some pony with you? I'll take Cherry. Okay, she's downstairs in the main rooms. Get in bed. Okay. Oh, Cherry, Cat Kite's taking you to the place, the secret. It's a surprise. Will you ever calm down and stop caring about your broken leg? Will you? No, I won't. My leg's broken and I'm upset about it. I'm really upset. Whatever. What's all that talking about? It's so weird. Cherry, come on, we're going. In which car? The zebra car. Wow, everyone's gonna be so surprised when they find out that we got Mom to get these 2. I know. It's gonna be such a relief when we find out that she's okay with it. It's gonna be such a relief when all the others find out. Yay, we're being adopted. Okay, everyone, get out. Get out of the car. Get out. Okay. Oh, you need help up? Yeah. Yay! Okay. I'm not telling the others. I'm gonna just go find a cloud and sleep on it. Okay. Come on, you two. Come on. She flew away. Come on. Oh no, I don't want to go. No. They're here. You didn't. Oh yeah, we didn't know. Mom wanted to adopt these two, and then me and Kaylin Kite picked them up. Oh my! Yay! Sisters! Mwah! Mwah! Best friends forever! Yay! I'm gonna tell you you're both 2 rooms. You get to pick. Now you figured it out. Of course I did. Okay, in this house there's 2 rooms. Pick any. My pick. Where's your room? In another building. So we don't live in the same room? No, my room's too small. Yay! Bottom, top. Yay! Wow, 2 new sisters adopted? We already adopted 2 grown-up, but well, I didn't know we were going to adopt 2 new sisters, little sisters. Wait, how old are they? How old are you? I'm 8. I'm 7. Both of you are so young. I'm 10. Wow! Gotcha. I'm 9. Yay! Yay! 7, 8, 9. 2 older sisters? I better hurry up and think about the baby starting to talk. I'll never be able to have a sister in my life that's younger than me. Except little... Oh, what's your name again? Huh? What? What's the baby's name again? It's... We all forgot, didn't we? Yep. Even though I didn't. What is it? What is it? It is Flurry Heart. Oh. With the whole year gone by, we forgot the little one's name? Yep. If you like this video, please put thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button below. This is a season of the Raindrop family, just extended. As this is Silver Swirl, Apple Buck, Cherry, and where is she? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Kaylin Kite, Apple Bloom, and Midnight. Dandelion, Daisy, the mom, Crystal Heart, the dad, Steel Armor, the aunt, Sparkle, or Spark, and the aunt is a housekeeper, and then her boyfriend, Blue Mohawk, Honey Dash, yeah, the baby, Flurry Heart, and then the two new, which is Hee-Haw, Cloud Dash, and Hee-Haw. Dun, 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 dun. That's my little song. She's too shy. This is the one and only we like to call her Little Horseshoe, but her real name is Horseshoe Hee-Haw Flower, Horseshoe Flower, and Cloud Dash, Silver Swirl. This is the Raindrop family in the mansion everyone loves. The Raindrop family in the mansion everyone loves. Raindrop family in the mansion everyone loves. Raindrop family in the mansion everyone loves. Everyone loves. Everyone loves. The mansion everyone loves. Yeah! If you like this video, please put thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button below. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. And this is a season called the Part 1 of 2 new members in the Raindrop family MLP. Bye. Keep in touch. See you next time.